We all know that beautifully prepped skin leads to beautiful makeup. Therefore, prepping your skin with a primer is an essential step in the makeup process. To help you prepare your canvas, we are bringing back the Sensual Skin Primer from the vault, now in an easier and more hygienic delivery system. This lightweight, hydrating formula is going to be great for all skin types and will help your makeup stay on longer. The hyaluronic acid and a unique blend of botanicals is what helps to plump, prime, protect, and perfect your canvas before you apply your makeup. To apply your Sensual Skin Primer, you want to start off with clean, hydrated, and moisturized skin. I've already taken those steps in my skincare application, and now I'm totally ready for primer. You want to start by squeezing out maybe about a pea-sized amount of primer onto your hand or a palette, and then you're going to use your fingers or a brush to apply this primer in areas of concern first, and then blend outward and down. I prefer my fingers because I feel like I can really work the product into the pores, the fine lines, and the texture, and then you'll see me stretching it outward and down in gentle motions. If you have any primer left over, you can take just the smallest amount and work it into your eyelids and under the brow as your eyeshadow primer too. This formula feels luxurious and smoothing, and it's great for all skin types. Here's a great pro tip for you. If you want to add a little extra radiance to your complexion, try combining a little bit of your Sensual Skin Primer with a little bit of Glass Glow Face. I'm combining Prism Rose Glass Glow Face with my Sensual Skin Primer before I apply it to the complexion to create even more radiance and more glow in my everyday look. Your Sensual Skin Primer can also be used to customize the level of coverage of your favorite full coverage liquid and cream foundations. Today I'm going to be mixing it with my Sensual Skin Enhancer in shade 7 and shade 9 to custom blend my own color with my adjusted coverage. So just blend them together on a palette or on the back of your hand to adjust that level of coverage. Then you can apply it with your favorite tool, your finger, your brush, or a sponge to the face wherever you need it. Look how this blends out, so easy and seamless and smooth. Oh, it feels luxurious too. I think I found my new favorite foundation formula. My enhancer mixed with my Sensual Skin Primer is going to be my new go-to foundation for sure.